Embarking on a journey with the ENGWE Engine Pro isn't just about embracing the future of mobility. It's about rewriting the rules on the road. This electric bike, a symphony of power and innovation, emerges as a game changer in an era where travel and technology converge. With its 1,000-watt motor, ingenious full suspension, and a sleek foldable frame, the Engine Pro isn't just another e-bike, it's a bold statement in the rapidly evolving world of electric bikes. In this deep dive, we're not just reviewing an e-bike, we're exploring a revolution on two wheels. Let's begin by defining what the ENGWE Engine Pro represents. It's crafted for those who seek the convenience of a foldable e-bike without sacrificing the thrill of performance. This is an e-bike that promises to deliver an uncompromised experience, harmonizing portability with power, a feat that we will explore in detail as we unravel what makes the Engine Pro stand out in a crowded market. So let's face it, first impressions matter, and the ENGWE Engine Pro makes a solid one. Available in sleek shades of gray, black, and blue, its design speaks a language of modern appeal mixed with functionality. The color palette is tastefully chosen, appealing to a broad range of preferences without being overbearing. Furthermore, the e-bike is equipped to conquer the challenging terrain of the North Georgia mountains, showcasing its versatility and capability in various riding conditions. In the bustling urban jungles and compact living spaces, convenience is king. The foldable design of the Engine Pro is a game changer. It transforms from a full-size e-bike to a compact package in seconds, making it ideal for apartment dwellers or commuters who might need to hop onto public transport. But here's the kicker. This e-bike isn't just about urban mobility. It's got the get up and go capability to fold up, throw it in the trunk, and start an adventure on some exotic bike trails. So whether you're navigating the concrete jungle or chasing thrill on remote trails, the Engine Pro has got you covered. When pitted against its peers in the foldable e-bike segment, the Engine Pro holds its ground impressively. Its balance of weight and sturdiness is commendable, striking a sweet spot that many e-bikes struggle to find. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. This is my second time unboxing an ENGWE e-bike. And again, I was not disappointed with the packaging. The e-bike arrived in mint condition without a scratch. I was able to pull the bike out of the box without assistance, but it's always easier if you have a helper. Let's get this e-bike assembled. First, I attach the front wheel and adjust the front brake. Next, I attach the handlebar sub-assembly. Place the main body of the e-bike on the kickstand. Stand the steering column up and lock it. Align the handlebar correctly. Insert the stem all the way and tighten it from the top using the quick lock. Next, I install the seat and pedals. Insert the seat's pedestal stem onto the seat column. Use the built-in lever to secure the seat, then move on to the pedals, attaching one pedal to each side of the crank and tighten them using the multi-tools. Next, attach the front light. Check that the fork is pointing forward and then fit the front light and fender within the fork. Lastly, I charge the battery. Connect the charger to a wall outlet. Insert the small cable plug into the battery's charging terminal. Charge until the charger's LED turns green, indicating a full charge. Turn off the battery while charging. Once charged, disconnect and cover the charging terminals. I inflated the tires to 18 psi. This precise pressure was a careful consideration, balancing the need for firmness to tackle the steep ascents and the give to absorb the shocks from the rugged terrain. Each bolt and fixture was examined, ensuring that all components were secured. The final act in this pre-ride ritual is the verification of the brake system, ensuring that both the front and rear brakes are operational. I tested each brake, feeling for the responsiveness and strength in their grip. This check, while quick, was imbued with a sense of gravity, acknowledging the brake's role as the custodians of safety in the dynamic dance of speed and momentum. As with any great journey, the personalization of one steed is a key element in crafting an experience that resonates on a deeper, more individual level. One of the first adjustments I made was changing the measurement units from kilometers to miles. This might seem like a minor tweak, but it's one that deeply impacts the riding experience. In the US, where miles are the standard, this change made the bike's riding more intuitive for me. It allowed me to gauge distances and speeds in a format that I'm more accustomed to. Another personalization involved the lighting system of the ENGWE Engine Pro. While the bike comes with an automatic light feature designed for convenience and safety, I opted to turn the auto lights feature off. My preference leans towards having manual control over the lighting. In the verdant expanses of the North Georgia mountains, where roads wind like ribbons through the hilly terrain and gravel trails offer the promise of adventure, the ENGWE Engine Pro e-bike emerges not just as a mode of transportation, but as a key to unlock the sheer joy of exploration. My experience with this machine was a revelation, a testament to how far e-bike technology has evolved and how it can transform the way we interact with landscapes both rugged and serene. At the heart of the ENGWE Engine Pro is its formidable 1,000-watt motor, a behemoth in the world of e-bikes. This isn't just a question of raw power, it's about the finesse with which this power is deployed. In the twisting ascents of the North Georgia mountains, this motor proved its mettle, turning potential struggles into moments of exhilarating ascent. The power delivery was smooth and consistent, a feature that's particularly noticeable when transitioning from flat to steep gradients. E-bikes hinge on their battery performance. In this aspect, the Engine Pro stands out. Its battery life is impressive, easily accommodating lengthy rides without the gnawing anxiety of running out of juice. The ENGWE Engine Pro's triple suspension system stands as a hallmark of innovation, especially within the realm of foldable e-bikes. This sophisticated suspension system, quite rare in the foldable e-bike segment, elevates the ride experience to the zenith of comfort and control. So, foldable e-bikes often face the challenge of balancing compactness with performance. So the inclusion of a triple suspension system in such a design is a remarkable feat of engineering. Now, the true test of any suspension system is how well it handles the unpredictability of a real-world terrain. The triple suspension of the ENGWE Engine Pro was put through its paces in the mountainous and gravelly trails of the North Georgia mountains. It performed very well, absorbing the jolts and undulations that characterize such rugged landscapes. The system's ability to smooth out the bumps on lesser maintained back roads was particularly impressive, turning what could have been a bone-jarring ride into a smooth, almost gliding experience. The front suspension fork played a crucial role in navigating the downhill trails and rocky paths, maintaining stability and control at higher speeds. And during sharp turns, the rear suspension absorbed the impact of the rougher patches, while the under-saddle suspension added an extra layer of comfort, making prolonged rides less taxing on the body. The triple suspension system significantly enhances the overall riding experience. It provides a level of comfort that encourages longer rides, reduces rider fatigue, and increases the bike's versatility to handle different types of terrains with ease. Handling the Engine Pro feels intuitive, a blend of responsiveness and stability that's crucial when traversing mixed terrains. This makes it as an excellent choice for both seasoned e-bike enthusiasts and those new to this burgeoning world. The bike's ability to tackle steep hills with the same ease as cruising on flat roads is a testament to its versatile design. The ENGWE Engine Pro isn't just about its motor and suspension. Every component, from the Shimano 8-speed gear system to its hydraulic brakes, speaks of a commitment to performance and durability. The gear system offers a range of options to suit various terrains and riding styles, making it a versatile companion. The comfort of the extended saddle was a boon on longer rides, preventing the usual discomfort associated with extended periods of cycling. Embarking on a nocturnal journey with the ENGWE Engine Pro through the North Georgia mountains offered a whole new dimension to my cycling experience. The e-bike's lighting system, due to its efficient LED headlight and tail light, played a crucial role in transforming night rides from a mere possibility to a delightful reality. The LED headlight, a beacon at the forefront of the e-bike, pierces through the darkness with an impressive intensity. Its brightness and range are not just about visibility, they're about confidence. Riding through the serpentine mountain trails at night, the headlight cut through the pitch-black surroundings, revealing the path ahead with clarity and precision. The light spread was wide enough to eliminate the peripheries, crucial for spotting potential obstacles and ensuring a safe path. The tail light, equally important, served as a vital signal to others behind me. Its luminous presence was a clear indication of my position on the road, a safety feature that becomes even more critical when navigating lesser-lit rural mountainous areas. The combination of the headlight and tail light ensured a 360-degree sphere of visibility, making the e-bike not just seen, but also safely integrated into the nocturnal landscape. The ENGWE Engine Pro e-bike stands as a paragon of e-bike engineering, a perfect amalgamation of power, comfort, and durability. Its performance in the diverse and challenging terrains of the North Georgia mountains was nothing short of exemplary. Whether it's the steep winding ascents, the rough gravel trails, or the less traveled back roads, the Engine Pro faced them all with a blend of grace and power. This e-bike is not just a vehicle, it's a companion for those that seek to push the boundaries of their adventures, to explore the unexplored, and to do so with the level of comfort and reliability that only a machine of this caliber can provide. The ENGWE Engine Pro, with its robust motor, enduring batteries, sophisticated suspension, and thoughtful features, invites riders to reimagine their journeys, to see the world through a lens of exhilarating possibility. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.